Casey's waiting.
Mama.
I'm coming. Going. We decided to come to a different park today. This one's called Herschel Park. And there's nobody here. It's in the shade. So far, I love it. I'll give you a better look when I'm not up here. You going down this one? That's a steep one. Shoo! Look at all these slides. Look at them all.
Mommy, come on.
You want me to come too? Woo! Be careful. That's why we don't go up, JJ. We go fast. Was that fun?
Mama.
Hi, babe.
Mama.
Can I take a picture? Excuse you. Oh my gosh. Where did that come from? Be careful, Jace. Huh. Yeah, he's getting down. No, stay in the park. Stay in the park. What about this one? Same as that one. Oh, that one looks fun. Skateboard at the park. It's a little mini kid skateboard. We'll have fun with that later. We're taking the trail to the water. Just this park has a place to get in with your boats and stuff. So we're gonna go check it out. So I got this drink from Starbucks. I usually get coffee, but I was like, it's gonna be hot. The last thing I want to do is drink hot coffee. So I tried something new. I got a peach green tea lemonade. Friggin' delicious. I recommend it to anybody who likes peach, green tea, and lemonade. Because you can taste all three flavors pretty well. Holy crap. That sun just hit me hard. Where are we, Emma? Look at how dirty. I don't know where. I don't know. There might be alligators. Let them try. Get it. Get it. Oh, so close. Better than what Mommy would do. What, baby? Let's not fight, or we're gonna go home. Guys. Why? Why do you want to hold something?
Because I want to hold it.
Come on, let's go to the other water. This is what I deal with.
Mama, what's that? Mama. What?
She's been doing this for like 5 minutes. It's like an obsession now. They didn't know it did that until I think one of them ran into it and it started to do one of those shakes. She was like, oh my god. And just has been spinning it ever since. So it's super hot and Emma will not go to the bathroom in this bathroom here, so we're gonna go home. She said she wants to go home and use the restroom and get some lunch. So we're gonna go home and do that. And then it's 12 12:03 right now, so we're probably gonna take a nap. Did you guys have fun? You had lots of fun? Yeah. JJ is sweating so bad. He has actually like drips down his throat. Or drips down his face. I don't know what I'm talking about. Alright, let's get going. So, all of our swimming stuff is at Mom's house because she's the one with the in-ground pool. So I just had to find stuff to put on Emma. He has tons of like shorts and stuff, but she only has one bathing suit as of right now. Thank you. And it's at Mimi's house, so I had to make do. She didn't want a shirt on, so as long as that's covered, we're good. Thanks. We have a pretty private backyard. There's really nobody that could see. There's no houses on the sides. I know, I see it. And I have bushes like that completely surround my backyard. So, nobody can see us unless we're in the front yard. So, I blew up their kiddie pool. Okay, really? You're gonna do that?
I never do that. Get out!
And I don't know why I do this, because all I do is throw mud and dirt in it. Yay! Freedom!
Papa!
Where are you going? Crazy kids! Say cheese! Oh, Lord. Uh-oh.
Hold my breath.
You're gonna hold your breath. You going in? Go on. Oh, don't fall back like that, though. You're gonna hurt yourself. You didn't even go under. She has this fear. He's never had a bad experience with water, so he loves the water. He's not afraid of it. He'll be swimming way before her, I'm for sure of it. Probably before the summer is over. Get back here, please. But not Emmy. Emmy, I cannot get to swim. I might have to get some help. Go, go, go! Yeah! Good boy. Emma, run and jump! Run, run! Oh, don't hit your brother! Run!